So first find a tip that fits your finger properly. Then you're going to squeeze out some of the clear gel and use the little paddle to scrape it off. Then you're going to apply it to the tip near the bottom. And with the solution, you're going to just push it into place. You're going to gently pull it upwards in a sweeping motion and keep applying the solution if it starts to get a little bit tacky. Once you've gotten to the desired length, you can stop and then start adding in some glitter and some stars and a little other decoration. Make sure to leave the bottom portion clear because you want to kind of create a gradient look. Now I'm just adding in some of the clear base mixed with regular clear glitter, and then just pressing that in to seal in the stars and all the other things that I put into the clear gel. And again, you're just going to drag it down and make sure that the bottom portion still stays clear at the base. Now you're going to push it onto your nail from the base of the finger to the top, and then cure for 60 seconds. Now rock the plastic tip back and forth gently, pulling back, and it should just snap right off. Then you're just going to file the sides and the top, shape it a little bit, add top coat, and you're done.